Hiya crafters, Amy here, and today I have a simple and single layer card to share with you. So let's jump right in. Now this is the new Dangles stencil. This is a 6x9 and it's one of many fabulous new stencils from A Colorful Life Designs. I also have the new Happy Thoughts stamp. These are both part of the May release. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're going, but it came together in minutes. Super easy and fun with this new design. So I do have some pixie spray on the back of this stencil just to kind of hold it in place. So anytime you kind of have like long open slats or stripes, would be the sort of stencil that would really benefit from having some pixie spray on it. So I'm just going to brayer it down, really stick it down to the card base. This is a 120-pound accent opaque that I'm working on. And I have some 2-inch Post-it tape just to kind of mask off that edge where the stencil isn't covering it, because I only want the ink to go through the openings of the stencil. So I'm working directly on my magnetic glass mat here. I do have some magnets, and I have a few beautiful colors from the Date Night collection at Catherine Pooler. This is part of the party collection. So I'm just going to do some very simple ink blending with these 3 colors, working directly on the card base. So with it being flat and single layer, not only are you saving on cardstock because you're not using multiple layers, but it's not going to be heavy, it's not going to cost you any extra postage, and it'll be nice and flat, easy to ship. Plus, with a simple design like this, you could really create a bunch of them, a whole batch. You could turn them into a gift set, or if maybe you donate cards for your church or a local organization. This is one that would be really easy to mass produce. So I'm coming in with this darker, I believe it's Serenade color, just to kind of really kick up the intensity on the edge. And I'm just going to remove the Post-it tape and peel back the stencil to reveal this unique design. Now this is one of my favorites. I just think it's so cool and unique. You can kind of turn it and orient it various different ways to create different looks. You could probably even rotate the stencil and kind of create like a crosshatch and get a really cool look that way too. So I decided to turn it horizontally and do the sentiment in the bottom portion of the card base, just kind of looking at my options here. But I am going to use one of the new stamps from this Happy Thoughts stamp. This is a 3x4, and there's a nice mix of kind of unique sentiments that maybe you don't see every day. I apologize if you can hear my dog sleep chirping in the background. He's a golden doodle, and for some reason he's, I don't know, chasing rabbits in his dream, and he's sleep chirping. So sorry if you can hear that in the background. Hey Yoshi. Wake him up so he doesn't get louder, because he will. Hey Yoshi. Yoshi, wake up, buddy. Sorry about that. But anyway, I'm going to use this stamp that says Yay All Day. It's just fun and unique, and I'm using that same, I think it's Do-Si-Do color, and it fit perfectly in between the little dangles on the stencil. And then just to give it a little bit more of an interesting design feature, I'm going to use my corner chomper on the 1/2-inch side and round a couple of the edges, just to kind of I don't know, add to the round shapes in the design and give it a little something extra. But overall, really simple in design, came together super quickly. It just makes a fun note card, or Yay All Day. Obviously, you could make this into a birthday card. Lots of options here. So thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.